Actually, I before I met them, I will check them first. With the I use Facebook or some social media to check them if they are good people. Yeah.
Okay. Based on what you are saying, you really focus so much on the customer experience and having someone who knows how to deal with the customer. So, if I may ask, you mentioned that you want someone who have high EQ and high level of kindness, right? So, how do you assess that if you are just meeting someone who just wants, like you're hiring someone, yeah, you don't have a lot of time to get to know them, right? So, how do you assess that, in your opinion?
Um, I use my sense, my heart to feel about them because I meet a lot of people every day. So my sense is very strong, and I trust in my sense. I trust in my good. Um, but anyway, I use a lot of questions to ask them, and maybe I have some test to test them. Yeah. And actually, I before I met them, I will check them first. With the I use Facebook or some social media to check them if they are good people. And actually, if they don't have five things that I mentioned, but they have the willingness to learn to change, I will give them an opportunity, and I will train them when they join my company. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much for that. That's actually quite amazing.